Want to forward Facebook group or page posts straight to your Telegram? Here's how to set it up in under a minute. No code required. First, copy the URL of any public Facebook group or page you want to follow. Then, open rss.app and paste that URL into the generator. Save it to your feeds, then click the Telegram icon and log into your Telegram account. You can choose Only Me to get Facebook posts as DMs from our bot, or add the bot News Alerts RSS to any group or channel. If you're using a supergroup with topics, just make the bot an admin. Once added, the group, channel, or topic will appear in the dropdown. Select it and click Save. RSS.app will automatically forward the latest 3 posts to test the connection. From now on, every new post will be sent to Telegram as soon as it's added to your feed. You can also send older posts manually, filter what gets sent by keywords, or use BotFather to change the bot's name or avatar. In settings, you can adjust how posts appear: full image, author and title, or just the link with a native Telegram embed. And if you ever want to double-check what was sent and when, just open the History tab. Ready to automate your workflow? Get started now at RSS app.